The First Thanksgiving, a tale of unity and gratitude. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's celebrated every year in the United States, the First Thanksgiving. This event is not only a significant part of American history but also a wonderful example of unity, gratitude, and the beginning of a tradition that has lasted for centuries. Let's embark on this journey together to understand the true meaning and the historical context behind the First Thanksgiving. The story of the First Thanksgiving dates back to 1621, when the Pilgrims, who were early settlers from England, celebrated their first successful harvest in the New World. This was after a year of hardships, including a difficult winter during which many of them perished. The Pilgrims had arrived on the Mayflower, settling in what is now known as Plymouth, Massachusetts. To celebrate their successful harvest, the Pilgrims organized a feast. They invited the local Wampanoag Indians, who had taught them crucial survival skills like growing corn, fishing, and hunting. This feast is considered the First Thanksgiving. It was a 3-day event filled with food, games, and fellowship, marking a brief period of peace between the settlers and the Native Americans. Today, Thanksgiving is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November in the United States. It's a time for families and friends to gather and express gratitude for the blessings of the past year. The modern celebration includes feasting on turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie, watching football games, and participating in parades. However, the essence of Thanksgiving goes beyond just the food and festivities. It's a reflection on the spirit of gratitude and the importance of community. It's a day to remember the historical significance of the Pilgrims and the Native Americans coming together, sharing their resources, and celebrating their survival and friendship. Thanksgiving is rich in traditions and customs. The turkey has become a symbol of the holiday, with millions prepared and eaten on this day. The Thanksgiving Day Parade, notably the Macy's Parade in New York City, is a significant event, drawing thousands of spectators and millions of television viewers. Another cherished tradition is volunteering. Many people take this time to help those in need, reflecting the holiday's spirit of giving thanks by giving back. Whether it's serving meals at homeless shelters or participating in food drives, Thanksgiving inspires acts of kindness and community service. The story of the First Thanksgiving is a powerful reminder of the importance of gratitude, community, and understanding. As we celebrate this holiday, let's remember its historical roots and the lessons it teaches us about coming together and appreciating what we have. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has enriched your understanding of the First Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, and may your holiday be filled with joy and gratitude.